Hi, it's Scott Wimpey from First Aid Accidents and Emergency. Every workplace needs a first aid kit. It's in the First Aid Code of Practice. Doing a risk assessment is the best way to decide what needs to be in your kit. The size of the workplace, number of employees, proximity to medical services, and the type of business and work that you do. First aid kits need to be TGA approved, and your kit needs to have the provisions for cuts, soft tissue injuries, eye injuries, burns, shock from bleeding or breaks, and any other additional equipment that's specific for your workplace and needs. So if you're after a family-owned first aid specialist with amazing prices and great service, give our team a call here at First Aid Accident and Emergency.